Hello guys, so today I'm going to unbox this Apax Fighter Plus racket, which comes at a price tag of 750 rupees. So I've heard people saying on the online platforms that this is a fake racket. Apax does not produce any racket under 1000 rupees. So let's check it out if it's a genuine product or not, or if it's worth buying or not. First let's unbox it. Now to the people asking, this racket comes from a bike. A courier partner will deliver it on the bike, not from a truck or trolley. Okay, there's the bill. So here is your racket. This Fighter Plus racket comes in three variants: yellow, pink, and I think blue. And I've ordered a yellow variant. So let's see how it goes. Open this polythene cover first. This is a racket, a very sturdy cover. 10 out of 10 to this. Now let's open this chain. Onto the racket, and it's a really nice one. I mean, really beautiful. Okay, so now let's see the tag. Brand name is Apax. Model name Fighter Plus. Color yellow. Commodity racket. MRP is 2000 rupees and I got it for 750 rupees. Month of import is November 20. Country of origin is Vietnam. And this is marketed by Malaysia. Apax Sports Malaysia. And this Apax, this is a UK brand, Great Britain brand. And people in Europe generally use Apax brand for professional play, other than Yonex. So when I hold it in my hands, this feels really heavy. So this, you can say this is a heavy head racket, and the string tension is around 20. You can see, you can just easily put it down or put it up. So string tension is not really good, but yes, this racket is for smashing. If you are a beginner, if you are a recreational player, this is for smashing. You can of course smash it, but not for professional players. Professional players can use it for training purposes, but I would not recommend this racket to all those playing in a professional front. And this has a barcode. So I think this is a genuine racket. Like Yonex has manufactured G3303 for recreational purposes, and that is a very cheap racket. Same way Apax has also done this. This may be a just experimental project, and I think this will work. So on to this cover now. I think the cover is really good. I mean, 2 to 3 layers of cloth in this padding. This is really good. So if you are looking for security for your badminton, this cover really is very good. I mean, this will offer you maximum protection, because I've seen many covers for the rackets which comes under range of 1000 rupees. They don't provide very good covers. I mean, they won't offer any security, but this cover is really good, and I would recommend you guys to buy this racket, Apax racket, in place of any G-Tech racket of Li-Ning, which comes under 1000 or 1500 rupees. Same property, the string tension is the same, and you will get heavy head. So this is good for smashing, but those Li-Ning rackets, they are very lightweight, so you can just control your shuttle for deceiving shot or for drop shots. But this is really good. I would give it thumbs up for this racket, and I would really recommend you to buy this racket if you are looking for any product like Li-Ning and all. But yes, if brand is your priority, then of course you can go for Li-Ning. So in the next video, I'll be bringing a comparison detailed. I'm very sorry, detailed comparison between the three rackets. This racket, a Yonex racket, Carbonix, and a Li-Ning racket. So till then, stay tuned and have a look at this racket. So hope you like my video. If you did like, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more unboxing videos in the future. The frame is aluminum frame, so don't get confused that this is a graphite frame and all. This is an aluminum frame. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.